Okay, I'd like to get started. So you have a question, Stephanie?
For the last problem, you said that the horizontal.
Can you give me the problem number, please?
Number 30.
Number 30. What page?
377.
Okay. 377, number.
30.
Okay, what about it?
For the horizontal asymptote, I got none because when x equals plus or minus 2, y equals 0. You said yesterday in the notes that the horizontal asymptote was y equals 0.
Should be, shouldn't it? Is that where you get the horizontal asymptote from? When this guy goes to 0?
Somehow when I calculate it again, the horizontal asymptote.
Oh, no, wait a minute. We need to think about this. When x goes to infinity, well, can x go to infinity? No, it can't, right? Can x go to infinity? Remember, horizontal asymptote is n behavior, when x is becoming very large. Can x become very large in there? Why not?
Well, if x equals 2, then y would equal 0.
No, answer the question. Why can x not become large? Take a look at this guy here. Can x become large there? Can x become large in here? Why not? That's right. Because if x becomes too big, you're going to get a negative number inside. Cannot happen. So yeah, you're right. There is no horizontal asymptote. So I probably screwed up yesterday. I tend to do that. That's a learning technique. You know, that's not funny. That's a learning technique. Or actually a teaching technique. Yeah, teacher F's up, and the kids are supposed to figure out the F-ups. Great teaching technique. Any other question? Layla, stop smirking there. Wise ass. Oops, I'm on record. Oh my God.
I know the technique very well.
Sorry? I am.
I know the technique very well. I tutor, so.
Yeah, nice. Any other questions? Any other questions? Huh? Okay, moving on. Guess what? This is the last time I'm lecturing to you ever. I'm done. I'm done. What shit?
After we take the test, you're gonna
No, I thought we were watching movies for that last week.
Oh, I'm fine with that, but I thought we were. No, I'm fine. I'm Mean Girls. Okay.
No, you cannot watch that.
Mean Girls.
Yeah, even my wife censored that. Yeah, cannot watch that.
What?
Cannot watch that. What? That's so old, man. That's even older than me. Oh, okay. All right, so let's get some work done, and then we'll talk about having fun. Okay, let's get some work done. Okay. There may be a surprise sprung on you because there are some teachers in the math department that think that I should be giving you a final.
That is our final.
No. A final. There may be a surprise.
How about it's a surprise, like, haha, here we're taking it, but oh, it's not graded. Oh my god. I'd be okay with that.
Cindy, let's go. Page 374. Yeah, she's the greatest distractor around. Page 374.
Who's being a weenie and wants to play the final?
Don't worry about it. It's not going to happen.
Okay.
But this course might disappear in the future.
What might?
This course might disappear in the future.
Regular count?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they want to make algebra a 2-year program, so it'll become algebra 2 and then trig for 2 years instead of. And that means the last course that seniors would take would be a pre-calc course.
That sounds like backwards.
Sorry?
It sounds backwards from what we usually do.
Yeah. Sorry? Yeah. I mean, it's not going to happen for another year or two, but it may happen. Okay, you guys got the rules down? Page 374. So the rules you want to focus on are 19 through 24. 19 through 24 on page 374.
Our box does not look like that.
Sorry?
Our box doesn't look like that, bro.
Seriously?
376.
Page 376? Oh.
Oh, we put 7.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, I did put 374. I thought it was 374. So it's supposed to be 376?
Okay. Don't we have all this on the sheet already?
Yeah.
You don't need a copy.
No. You just need to have it available to you because we're going to need them as we do the problems, okay? 19 through 24. So those are things we're going to be using, okay? All right, here we go. Examples. Okay, number 45, page 378. Okay. So before we do that, let's get the formula down. So if y equals arctangent u, then y prime is equal to, can someone give me the formula, please?
U prime over
1 plus u squared. And so if you compare this to the question that we have, what's u equal to? X over a. What's u prime equal to? Sorry? 1 over a. And then you just chug. Okay, so then y prime is equal to 1 over a over square root of 1 plus x squared over a squared. And you simplify this and you get a over square root of a squared plus x squared. All right, I've skipped a step there, just one step, but it's really an algebra 0 step. Oh, I don't know. Shouldn't have been there, right? To begin with. Thank you. Yeah, I kind of learned from you guys. Hopefully you're learning from me as well, so it's all good. No, but by the way, did you guys notice something about the homework yesterday and today? Did you guys notice anything? Sorry? Does anybody know why they became even all of a sudden? Sorry? Cow chat. And who are the biggest chatters here? Yeah. So these two dudes are sitting back there talking 24/7 during the period. I look at their worksheet and it's perfect, or their homework was perfect. Perfect. So guess what? Someone's chatting. Someone's chatting. So you can, yeah?
Even sometimes you can't check your answer.
But that's why I put some odd ones around it. So if you know how to do the odd, you get the odd right, chances are high. If you do the even, you'll get it right. Okay? So that's why I put some odd and even around there. So it's a question of learning how to do these things. Okay, everybody okay on 45? Yeah? Okay, next one's 47. Sure. Sure, you may do 48 or 50. Sure. 50 is easy. 40 is a little harder because you're going to use a product rule there. I'll let you enjoy that. That's part of your homework. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so we are going to 48. Did we agree on that? Okay, 48. Sorry? You want 44?
Yeah.
Yeah, 44. That's part of your homework? Okay. Yeah, it's a straight chug. It's a straight chug. Oh my God, I knew you know when I signed up for this course, I knew it was going to be a Burger King, man. I need one of those. You guys, next time you guys go to Burger King, get me that hat, okay? Get me that hat. I'll wear it. I'll wear it. I never allowed my kids to wear that. Never allowed my kids to wear that. But I will wear it. Sorry?
Crown?
Yeah, the crown. the crown. Aren't you going to ask me why I didn't allow them to do it?
Why?
Because I didn't want them to advertise someone else's product. They are not advertisers.
So then you let them wear logos like Nike or.
Oh, if you catch my daughters wearing logos, those are not my daughters. Yeah, they don't wear shit like that. Ever.
But
They've never worn any logo.
brand you wear has a little logo somewhere.
They never get that.
Bro, you were wearing like.
Like, what do I wear?
You
Fila?
You
Fila?
had on like
A fila?
Volcom pants the other day.
The what pants?
Volcom or Hurley or something like that.
Curly? Hurry?
Yeah, so even though the little thing is that big, you're
I'm talking about my girls. I'm not talking about myself. I never said that. I don't do that. Come on, alright? Come on. Gotcha. Yes.
So you're above the law then. You can't
That's
do-
right. I'm above the law. It's what my girls did. Okay, what did we say? 48?
Yeah.
Okay. So H prime, you're going to use a product rule. So keep arctangent alone and then do x squared. So that gives you a 2x. Arctangent x. Then keep x squared alone and differentiate arctangent x. So what's the derivative of arctangent x? Well, u is x. So u prime is going to be 1. So it becomes 1 over 1 plus x squared. And I think they might want you to put everything down on a common denominator. I'm not sure. We'll check, okay? So let's try and put everything down on a common denominator. So it becomes 1 plus x squared. And then it goes over, so it becomes 2x into 1 plus x squared arctangent x plus x squared. And I'll check in the book in a minute to see if that's the way they've written the answer, okay? Okay, is everybody okay on this stuff?
No.
What did you lose me? Or did I lose you? Okay, you may pause for a minute. Okay. Let's go take a look at the answer. Number 48. Oh, so they didn't combine it. I mean, sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. I don't know. I mean, look at this. Look at this problem here, okay? They put it all down onto one common denominator. They didn't do it there. So I have a feeling that Karthik did the odd and Sujal did the even.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Okay? All right, one last problem and then we are done. Number 62. Okay, so we're doing number 62. And the first thing I need to do is what? What do I need to do? It says find the equation of a tangent line. So what should I do first?
Differentiate.
Nice. So what do I get? Y prime equals?
When it goes to half, cosine is negative u prime over.
Okay, but u is x, so u prime is going to be 1 over.
Regular 1 minus x squared.
1 minus x squared. Okay, that's y prime. Is everybody okay on that? Okay, straight reading the formula basically. Okay, then what do I do in A? What do I do after this? Sorry? Notice that you want the equation of a tangent line. So what should you do? Sorry? Which one? Exactly. So put in negative root 2 and that gives you the slope of the line. So then this becomes square root of 1 minus 2 over 4, which becomes minus 1/2 1 over square root of 2 over 2. And then this 2 and this 2 cancel. So my slope is minus root 2 over 2. From the derivative of our cosine, derivative of our cosine is negative something. Okay? Then what do I do? Benjamin, what do I do next? Sorry? Point slope form and y minus y1. So what's y1 equal to? And m is equal to negative root 2 over 2. And what's x1 equal to? Okay, so simplify this stuff now. So y is equal to negative root 2 over 2x plus 3 pi over 8. Okay, and minus a half. Okay, I'll pause here for a minute, make sure you guys got this down. Okay, is everybody okay on this? Questions on that? Okay, so instructions for tomorrow and beyond tomorrow. So tomorrow is 5.6 worksheet. Be prepared to work on it in class. It may or may not be collected in class. It depends on what I feel like. If I feel like being nasty, I'll collect it. Okay, and remember, my mood is really controlled by you guys. Okay, you guys piss me off, I get into a bad mood. Oh yeah, right. Nice. Yeah, hey man, yeah, 2 Indians out, that's a great day. That's a great day. Okay, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Hello, Goosey? I'm not done yet. Next Thursday, like Stephanie likes to call it, is a big exam. Chapter 5.1 through 5.6. There shall be 6 questions. You've got 6 sections to study. You've got 6 worksheets. There'll be 1 question from every section from that worksheets that you've had. 5.1 through 5.6. Okay? You want more? I mean, I can make 2 of each, but you'll barely finish the test. Yeah, you'll barely finish the test. Sorry? Okay, so that's the plan for next week. The week after, I think Laura's going to entertain us by bringing in Disney's.
Oh, Disney's?
Yeah.
I got you.
Okay, the week after. Okay, we are done.
I got